Welcome to Krishi Jagran. Today we are at the project launch of Kirloskar Oil Engine Limited that launches a new range of iGreen gensets. The market leader in the production of gensets today says that it brings both a digital and environmental friendly range of products. We are in conversation with Mr. Sanjeev Nimkar, the Chief Operating Officer of Kirloskar Limited. It was great talking to Mr. Nimkar, who briefed us upon the digital and the green type of gensets. He well quoted that gensets with a brain are in the market. Thank you.
We are very happy to announce today in the Indian market intelligent genset or the thinking genset from the house of Kirloskar. As a KOEL, Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited, is very proud and happy to give this product to Indian customers. This product comes with inherent feature of inbuilt auto on and auto off feature as a part of every single genset going to the market. Apart from that, we have inbuilt system of remote monitoring feature in this genset, which diagnoses the genset itself. It monitors its own health and tells the problem beforehand. If something is going wrong, it will tell beforehand so that you can save the genset and customers should not have to incur more cost on that. Not only that, these features come at the same price as before, and we are calling these gensets as iGreen series of gensets. Those are intelligent gensets. See, today is a time of smartness in everything. You are smartphones and many smart things. Smart televisions are coming in this thing. So we felt this is a time, why not to give our customers a comfort of smart gensets. And that was the necessity of this all. Last 3.5 years, my entire R&D team was working on this. How do we build in and give these features in our product? And that 3.5 years efforts, we could come out with this kind of thing, which are a smart genset. So we are in the league of, if some of my customer is having an iPhone in his hand, he should have iGreen at his backside to support him. Green. See, these kind of sets what we are giving to the market are environment friendly. So they follow the highest pollution norms in the world. So whatever is the norms set in the world, the best one, these gensets adhere to those norms, and that's why we call them as a green gensets. We have inbuilt lot of sensors in the gensets. So they senses the operations like the oil pressures or the fuel level or the temperature or the battery conditions, and before something goes wrong, they give the messaging to our control room, to service center, to the maintenance manager of the customer also. And that's how we call them as a smart set. There was a time when genset used to be in the backyards. We felt why not have genset in the front yard, in front of the house, in front of the mall, in front of the thing. We should put this device in such a beautiful way that people should get a pleasant feeling, and that's how you are seeing the flowers and the butterflies coming on that. So that's the picture which we want to give. So once someone is entering in someone's gate or some malls or this thing, in the front you see this device there. So it should radiate a pleasant feeling in the environment, and that's how we have improved the aesthetic looks also. No, we have given access to the customers. There is an app, so the customer can download the app, and the remote this device which is inbuilt inside the genset will communicate signals to that app. So on the monitor you can see the health of your set. All the parameters it will display on the person's mobile. See, since we are calling this as an intelligent genset, at Kirloskar Oil Engines we have taken an oath that starting February onwards, we would not like to sell any genset to our customers without a brain. So we want to sell the genset only with a brain. So that's the oath which we have taken.